Guys, welcome to your Universal Tutor, guys. The Universal Tutor. So, guys, this is our afternoon class, guys. Welcome to the Universal Tutor, where learning never stops and we believe in success. We no longer believe in failure. And learning never stops, guys. So here we're looking at solving equations involving what? Indices, okay? So what we're dealing with here is what? Indices. Like this question here, 4x equals to the power what? 128. So we need to look for values, okay? We have to make these things equal so that we form the powers, we form the equation. It's either we form the equation equal, then we get the powers. We solve the equation through powers. Don't forget, guys. So from here, we're saying 2 can go into 2. So 2 can be multiplied by what? By 2 to give us what? So it will be 2x on top equals. So here, we're going to say 2. So for us to give a 128, we have to multiply 2 times how many times? Times 7. Okay? So since we have made the equation equal here, okay? Since we have made the equation equal from here, so meaning these guys will be out. We are going to get the equation from the what? From the powers. This is a 2, guys. So we are going to say 2x is equals to what? To 7. Okay? So our equation here, it's not done. We are going to divide by 2, divide by 2. So 2 goes. So x is equals to 7 over what? Over 2. You don't have to divide thoroughly from here. You leave it like this, guys. Okay? Don't go over. Your answer can be ruined. You leave it from here. Okay? Okay, guys. So now this is our question 2. Our question 2 is critical. Okay? Is critical. I would say it's hard. It's hard if you don't pay attention. So we have to be very much careful in solving this one. So we are going to say, have you seen these 2 here? And there's a point here. This simply means division, okay? So we are going to divide 2 by the both sides. So we are going to say 2. We're going to say 2 times 27 over what? Over 2 is equals to what? And that is 2 over 9. That is divided by what? By 2, okay? Okay, guys. So from here, guys, we're going to say 2 in 2 is what? Is out. We're remaining with what? 27, okay? So we are going to say 27x. Sorry, the powers are supposed to be there. Even here, it's there. Okay, so here, guys, minus 1 is equals to 2 divided by 2, that's 1. So here it will be 1. Okay, guys? 1 over what? 1 over 9. Okay. So here we're going to make we're trying to solve this equation. So we cannot solve the powers unless we make the what's this? Unless we make the what's this? The bases the same. So we are going to get this 27. We're going to say what number can we multiply to give us 27? It's what? 3. So we are going to open the bracket. Okay. We're going to open the bracket and we write 3, close bracket. Okay. Then we put x outside minus 1 equals, then we're going to say here, we are going to say 1 over 3 to the power what? To the power 2. Okay. 1 over 3 to the power what? To the power 2. So we are going to, since the bases now are the same, the bases now are the same. Okay, guys. The bases, since the bases are the same, so for us to get rid of this, this 1 on top, it's going to be 3 to the power 3x minus 1 equals, so here this simply means if you want to get rid of this one, I would say 3 to the power negative 2. So this is more like the inverse of 2, okay? So we're going to say negative 2. So here now we can solve, since the bases are the same. You only start to deal with the powers when the bases are what? Are the same. When the bases are the same, that's when you deal with what? The powers. So here we are solving, we're saying 3 times 3x, which is going to give us 3x. 3 minus 1, that will be negative 3 equals what? Negative 2. So here we are going to say what? Here we are going to say what? here we are going to say 3x. This one, when it comes to this side, when it jumps, the equal sign becomes what? Positive. So here it will be what? This will be what? Positive 1. So 3x is equals to 1, positive 1. We divide by 3. I say it's critical. You can just see the process where we are going. So you divide by 3. You divide by 3. Even this side. So 3 and 3 go. So x is equals to 1 over what? Over 3. That's our answer. Okay, guys? So the process started from here. Here we came with it until here. So here, what we did here was to form the bases, the what? The same. Okay? We cancelled with 2. We cancelled with 2 from this side to get rid of these 2 here. Okay? And here, we got 27. 3 times 3. 3 to the power 3, that's 27. Then the x, we put it out of the bracket. So that when we multiply 3 times x is giving us 3x. And 3 times negative 1, that's where this negative 3 came from. Equals, and the inverse of 1 here on top, it is what? Negative 2. So now, 3x, these people cannot what? Cannot add or subtract. They are unlike terms. So 3, when it jumps, the equal sign becomes what? Positive. That's the positive where it came from. So 3x is equals to negative 2 plus 3. This 3 has jumped this side. And 3x divided by 3 is giving us what? Is giving us x. And this side we have what? We have positive 1. We have subtracted. You subtract and get the sign from the bigger number. So a number you see without a sign is a positive. So here we divide by 3. So we know that 1 can go into 3. 3 cannot go into 1. So here we'll leave it like that. When we divide it to give us a fraction, and which will be wrong. So you leave it from here. We're dealing with indices, guys. So these are the hard questions. When they want to bring such questions, it takes time. So you have to pay attention and you make sure you solve the right thing. Okay, guys. So this is our third question. That will be the last one on indices. So I'll try to squeeze up the other one as well. All right, guys. So here we're trying to make this equal like what we're doing from the other equation. So here it will be what? It will be 2. We're going to get this one that is common. We're going to say 2. Sorry, guys, we don't have to write like this. 2. It's going to be 2 to the power x. Okay, guys. Open bracket. We're going to get this 2 again. Okay. This is our equation. We're going to get this 2 again. We're going to say what? We're going to say 2 to the power 1. Okay. Plus what? Plus 1. Cross bracket equals. Okay. So we're going to say equals 24. So from here, what we're going to do, we're going to say 2x plus, okay, plus 3. So this 2x, or 2 to the power x, sorry guys, 2 to the power x plus 3 is equals to 24. Okay, guys, we're trying to make the bases the same. So here, since 3 is connected to this one, we're going to divide these guys by 3. Even this side by 3. So 3 goes. So we remain with 2. We remain with 2 to the power x. Okay, guys. Hope you're following. Sorry about these mistakes. So I'll just bring it down here, guys. I just say 2 to the power x equals 24 over what? 2 to the power x equals 24 over 3. So we are going to bring down. We are going to say from here, we are going to say 2 to the power x is equals to 3 into 24. That's 8. Okay. That's 8. So this 8 is not done. We are going to say since we haven't made it the same, so we're going to say 2x. We're going to say 2 to the power x is equals to 2 to the power 3. So when we multiply 2, 3 times gives us 8. So we are going to say x is equals to what? To 3. Our answer is what? Is done.